Hello and welcome you guys to my new video series about top apps. I will present every now and then some videos about the latest apps that are very popular and you should have a look on them. Let's start off with the first video and the first app. The first video is called Lapse It. Time lapse for Android, it says. And what it actually is you can capture videos. Here is the menu, how it looks like. You can capture something and then do a time lapse. If you don't know what this is it's just like you take a record and then you play it faster. Or how this is done, it's doing every 3 seconds a picture and then rendering them in one video, which is just looking awesome because it's like you can see a full day in some minutes. Okay, you can select resolution, you can cancel and so forth. This is you will find your way through this, and there are even more things. You can flip the x-axis, the y-axis. You can pull this video back and forwards, and you can even loop it. There are more effects. Just have a look. And the other interesting things are that you can record things and put them in your gallery, and there are other people's out of the Lapse It community who upload their videos, and you can have a look at them. You can also share your videos via social web pages or these things that are written here: Gmail, messaging, WhatsApp, and YouTube, and so forth. So just use your imagination. How does this all work? I just have a look at this. For Android users, I have this QR code. Just use a barcode scanner and you can directly download what you are interested in. Okay. The next app that I'm presenting is iMapMyFitness. Okay, first when I read this I thought, whoa, what the hell is this? How could an app help you to lose weight? But actually it's pretty well thought of, and it's you can see here some screenshots. It's from the actual homepage of this, not homepage, but the Google Marketplace page, and you can see here you have a calorie budget. You can consume something of this like when eating something, and you can also burn this by doing sport, by walking through the city and so forth. And it actually can track you down with via GPS, I think, and then you can calculate if you did right and lost weight or not. When starting this app, you have to log in. If you don't like logins, you can use throwaway emails like Yelp Mail. I have a video on that. And if you after registering, I think you have to also enter your height and your weight, and it will calculate via tables what calories you can gain once a day and so forth. So this is a pretty nice app. Here you can see how long you walked and how far the distance was and so forth. It's very interesting, very good thing for someone who wants to lose weight. Just have a look at this. It's also very funny to see how many calories you burn while walking through the city and so forth. Here are the QR codes, left hand side for Android, right hand side for Apple. Now let's go on. The next is Tap Ranch. If you are a fan of Farmville from Facebook, then this is the app for you. It's pretty similar to that, and I think if you just start off, you will find your way through this. You have cows and all this stuff, and you do almost the same stuff as in Farmville, and it's a free app. Here you see the shop thing. Like, it's a pretty nice thing. Just download it, have a look. If you are a Farmville fan and you want to play it on your Android, just visit this app. Okay. Now here's the QR code. I only found it for Android. I think there is a Tap Ranch 2 for Apple. Apple phone, so just have a look, and you will maybe find it somewhere in the App Store. Now, the next tool app is called 8Tracks. Okay, what it actually is, it's an internet radio, and there are, maybe you know, there are, I think it's Pandora. Pandora is a pretty famous one. If you are not lucky with Pandora, it's not your style, just check out 8Tracks. It's pretty cool. You can just listen to, it's like an online radio, and there are mm, mixes from people, their playlists, and so forth. It's pretty funny, so you can also see how many people like the song, who didn't like this, and so forth. Just have a look at this, and have fun with this. If Pandora is not the way your app should work, then just download this. Here again, QR codes for Apple and Android. Now, the last app for this video is called Graphing Calculator. It's pretty new, actually, and I thought it's pretty good looking. It does what it should do, pretty much good. And just have a look if you need if you have a calculator anyway and graphical, then and actually you can leave your calculator home and use your mobile phone. Actually, it can do the same thing, maybe even more than this. Okay, so these are the pictures. Here's a graph plot, and just have a look at this. It's pretty funny to use it and to plot some weird and crazy functions, and just have fun with them. Okay, and here is the QR code. Look, yeah, so if you don't know how to use a QR code, just write me a message. I will try to help you out on this. Okay, so see you guys, and thanks for watching.